Kelsey!
Hi, Kelsey. So, you're texting me about your situation right now.
And she filled me in.
Yeah, obviously. I had to tell her. And,
There's just one thing that kind of popped into our heads.
That's nasty! That is really disgusting.
Ew, oh my gosh.
Like,
But it's kind of funny that we said it at the same time.
this person is disgusting. Like,
Why?
It's ridiculous.
Kind of makes me feel like both of them are nasty.
Because they both are. But anyway.
Because of that little thing between them, which is disgusting and unspeakable. Do you not look at me like that? Thanks.
Rude. Anyway, we love you.
I do.
And we miss you very, very much. And you're beautiful. Remember
and things will get better because, you know, they always do.
Yeah.
Yep.
We miss you. Love you. Bye.
Miss you. Love you too.